मेरी तैयारी मैंने बहुत कुछ हार्ड वर्क किया है एंड आई एम लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू द एंटायर पैजेंट। मैंने बहुत तैयारी की है हर एस्पेक्ट में एंड मैं फुल्ली तैयार होके जा रही हूँ। आई हैव बीन वर्किंग रियली हार्ड एंड इट्स अ कंप्लीट ब्लेसिंग टू हैव अ टीम दैट इज relentlessly working for you. I would like to thank Dr. Jamuna Pai for helping me get glowing skin. I would also like to thank the Disonge team for hair and makeup, Loic and Fanny. Also, I would like to thank Ritu Kumar for the Indian wear and Western designer casuals. A smile is the most important part of a pageant, and I would like to thank Dr. Sandesh Mayakar for helping me get a beautiful smile. My fitness regime and nutrition has been very strictly watched over, and I would like to thank CODS for doing a wonderful job. One of the most interesting aspects of training have been communication and behavioral skills that I've got trained for. I would like to thank BSL Training Company. I would like to thank Omkar Chitnis for making me look good in every picture that he shot, as well as Vic Doltani. Rocky Star has been completely wonderful in setting up my entire wardrobe. Every dress has been handpicked by him, and I'm extremely excited to be looking good in everything that he's put together for me. I would also like to thank the associate stylist Agnish Banerjee. My national costume is going to be beautiful. It's very elegant. It's larger than life. It's something very new that India hasn't tried out. And I would like to thank Neeta Lulla for the costume and Tejas for the jewelry. I'm extremely excited to be performing belly dance at the pageant. And Rakesh Agarwal has designed a completely beautiful emerald green outfit for me. I would like to thank Gaurav Gupta, Gauri and Nainika, Rakesh Agarwal, Monisha Jaising, Rohit Gandhi and Rahul Khanna. And I would also like to thank Falguni and Shane Peacock for designing a wonderful finale gown for me. My finale gown is exquisite, and I would like to thank Falguni and Shane Peacock for making a wonderful gown for me. I wouldn't want to reveal too much. I do hope that you watch the finale on the 26th of Jan at 6:30 AM. Hi, I'm Noinita Lodh, Miss Diva Universe 2014, and I will be representing India at the Miss Universe pageant in Miami. Do show me all your love and support by liking my page on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. Be a part of my journey and wish me all the very best. Thank you.